Hello friends, in this tutorial I am going to teach you about auto-generated fields in our Tableau. Let me take orders sheet here. I am going to sheet 1. See, you can see measure names as 1, latitude 2, longitude 3, okay, measures value 4. We'll have other thing as orders count, okay, which are there in the form of italic format. These are called auto-generated fields in our Tableau. Okay, I will go for what are measure names. I will go to rows here. You can't see no measure value, that's the reason without. So I will go to text, no measure value, not this one. Columns, I'll go to measure values. See, in rows we have measure rows here: 1 2 3 4 5. Discount, profit, quantity, sales. And this record, oh sorry, I won't take this one. First I will take uh, this option of records. Take this orders count here in column. Okay, you can see not this one. I will take here. No, not this one, sorry. I will take orders count here in text, sorry. So you can see 9994 records here. You can see the same records in our sheet here. We will have 9999 records here. Okay, if we count this you will get the same number of records. Okay, this is called number of records, just that data to track the things. So I'm removing all those things here. I'm going to measure names in columns and measure values. Okay, see the what measure names we have here. We if we take where measure names, where is measure names. Okay, if I'm taking measure names, count number of this discount, profit, quantity, sales, and records. It won't take latitude, longitude measure values. Okay, they won't take it, only these things it will take as measure names. And the value it will count this. Discount is the whole total discount of all the data which is present. It's not an individual thing, it's all about whole sum of all the discount, whole sum of all profit, whole sum of quantity. So in this way you can see label it, you can see the same thing. So these are called measure names and measure values. Okay, these values or these the values which we'll get here you call measure values. It will take the record number as well: discount, profit, quantity, sales, and orders. These are called measure names. I'm repeating it once again. Okay, I hope you got it. And coming to, I will tell you about latitude, longitude in maps part. Until then you just remember these things only. I will once again repeat this. Hope if you have any doubts you can ask me. I'm taking orders count here. You can see 9994 records. If you see the Excel sheet of order you will get 9994 records. So this is one of the auto generated field. I am removing it. I am taking to measure values here. These are all values. Okay, okay, these are whole sum of all the values. So for what value we have to take, if you take measure values and keep it here, you can see the values as well here. These are all measure values. We know we have dimension and measures. The measure names are called measure names. The discount, profit, not only it will take discount, profit, quantity, and sales. It will also take one auto generated record or cell, auto generated field called orders as well. You can see the count of order. If you have label it you can see 9994 record. So these are called measure names and measure values. I hope you got it. I am talk about latitude and longitude in next tutorial, where not in next tutorial exactly, in maps where I am going to teach you. Thank you, we'll meet you next tutorial. Bye.